Hey everybody, this is Douglas on Lichess. I'm about 1300 to 1400 player. Kind of like to start off with this Roy Lopez a couple of times when I play as black, and sets me up for pretty good end game sometimes. So I'm trying to think where can I get the pieces developed. I like to put the pawn up there on a6 to prevent his knight or bishop coming in, especially when I go here for the Roy Lopez variation, because they always push their pawn on e4, and then so they got a pretty solid status right there. Let's see what happens here. So as soon as they castle, that's where you kind of activate the Roy Lopez. That's how it's been up here. Obviously the queen can't see to go to h2 for the mate, and the bishop, that's what I was eyeing. And let's go here. He's just going to go back and then go back again. Now let's see. Don't like to. Alright, looks like that situation is kind of over. Let's see, maybe go back here so that my knight can go back. Looks like I've ran out of squares there. I was gonna go back, but I took a move too late to push up my pawn. Yeah. About here, then he takes. Well, that happens. I haven't played this Roy Lopez too often. It's a time advantage. Okay, sometimes you lose a piece, but you gotta just keep going. Try to find where you can take their pieces. Alright, go with the idea. This is kind of a variation too. Takes some pressure on his knight. So yeah, I'm just a beginner player, intermediate. I mean, I've been playing for a while, but I'm looking at some books, trying to read a little bit, and looking at some more videos. I like to see Chess Network. His name is Jerry. He's got some good videos. I'm on live chess right now. Oh. And another option I guess I'm looking at, I'll go up with my B pawn to kind of have a window for my bishop to see. B to. So this is using a thing here for some reason. That was odd. Where can his knight go? His knight isn't trapped, he can just go back. Should I go up here? This, he can just do en passant. Let's see what he does. Oh, then that freed up his other pawn. I could have taken his other pawn there. So take the pawn, then what? Okay. Yeah, maybe just move up. Maybe get castled. Castle. Queenside castle. Think about that. Where's his bishop? His bishop is out of spots, too. Alright, so I should be winning that. So, getting that piece back. Didn't see that. Should have moved up his pawn, maybe. Oh, wow. That was odd. Alright, well. That's the way it goes sometimes. So thanks for watching. This is just his analysis board. Not sure what happened there. I'd say, basic opening here. Got Fiend Catoed with the bishop. Sicilian defense. Okay, so then here, I don't think I should have jumped in right there. I think just going off to the side, but knights on the side are never good, but that was the questionable move. Even challenging on D5. So right there, I think that was a mistake. And then it's just going back, and I was trying to get to this piece here. Miscalculated that. And then he goes back and he's miscalculated that. So he's trying to, and then he resigns. Alright, well, that's the way it goes sometimes. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Let me know.